descending level 110.
India 127, good morning, descend level 100.
Descend level 100, Air India 107.
Lufthansa 3369 heading to 80, cleared ILS 25 right.
Lufthansa 3369 heading to 80, cleared ILS 25 right.
United 944, speed 200.
Speed 200, United 944.
Lufthansa 693, descend 5000 feet, cleared 1019er.
Lufthansa 693, descending 5000 feet, cleared 1019er.
United 944, heading 220, cleared ILS 25 right.
20, ILS, cleared ILS 25 right, United 944.
Lufthansa 3205, reduced to 20.
3205, reduced to 20.
India 127, expect 25 right.
25 right, Air India 107.
Morgan arrival, it's Cactus 704, descending out of 120 for 110 Juliet.
Good morning, Cactus 704, turn left heading 110.
Left turn 110, Cactus 704.
Lufthansa 3369, reduce 180.
Lufthansa 3369, reducing 180.
Lufthansa 693, turn left heading 300.
Lufthansa 693, left heading 300.
Lufthansa cargo 8415, descend level 70.
Chicago 8415, descending level 70.
United 944, speed 180.
80 Dutch, United 944.
Cactus 700, speed 170, contact tower 1199.
79 to 99, Cactus 700, clear.
Lufthansa 3205, heading 220, intercept localizer 25 right.
Lufthansa 3205, right, heading 220, intercept localizer 25.
India 127, turn left heading 140.
Left heading 140, India 107.
What's your speed, India 127?
300 knots, Air India 107.
Roger, reduce to 40.
Reduce to 240, confirm India 107.
Tirol 217, good morning. That is copied, Juventus 1019er. Lufthansa 693, heading 280, descend 4000, cleared ILS 25 right.
Lufthansa 693, left heading 280, descend 4000, cleared ILS 25 right.
Lufthansa 3205, descend 4000 feet, cleared 1019er, cleared ILS 25 right.
Lufthansa 3205, descend 4000 feet, cleared 1019er, cleared ILS 25 right.
Lufthansa cargo 8415, left heading 290.
Chicago 8415, left heading 290.
India 127 is at level 80.
Descend level 80, India 127.
Cactus 704 is at level 60, expect 25 right.
Senator 60, will expect 25 right, Cactus 704.
Lufthansa 693, reduce 180, 777 to follow.
Lufthansa 693, reduce 180.
Lufthansa 3205 as well, reduce 180, proceeding same runway.
3205, reducing 180.
Lufthansa 3369, speed 170, tower 1199.
Lufthansa 3369, speed 170, tower 99, show.
Arrival, good morning, Canada 838, flight level 161, descending to 110.
Canada 838, good morning, heading 140, expect 25 right.
Okay, 140 on heading, expect 25 right at Canada 838, thank you.
Lufthansa cargo 8415, descend 4000 feet, cleared 1019er.
Chicago 8415, descending 4000 feet, cleared 1019er.
India 127, heading 280, intercept localizer 25 right.
Heading 280, intercept localizer 25 right, India 107.
Cactus 704, descend 5000 feet, cleared 1019er.
1019er, descend 5,000 feet, Cactus 704.
Lufthansa cargo 8415, heading 280, cleared ILS 25 right.
Chicago 8415, left heading 20, cleared ILS 25 right.
India 127, descend 4000 feet, cleared 1019er, cleared ILS 25 right.
Wind 4000, speak to 1019, clear LS 25 right over near 107.
United 944, contact tower 1199.
199, United 944.
Tirol 217 is identified. Hallo, guten Morgen, das ist der 3519er, Passenger Level 140, descending Level 110, etwas später mit Lima. Das ist unser 3519er, guten Morgen, Natura Right. Das ist der 3519er, Natura Right, danke. That's 693, speed 170, tower 1199.
That's 693, speed 170, 1999, ciao.
Sector 704, tower setting 070.
Level 070, Cactus 704.
The Canada 838 is at level 60.
Is that level 60 Air Canada 838?
Lufthansa Cargo 845, reduce 180.
Cargo 845, speed 180.
Lufthansa 3449 is at level 70 and fly heading 330. That's 3519er, descending level 70, heading 330. And you're 127, reduce speed 180.
Reduce speed 180 to North Carolina 17.
Lufthansa 3205, speed 170, tower 1199.
170, down 99, 3205, Charlie.
No.